Hi, my name's Kevin, and I'm doing a recording of my cousin, Eagle River. And, well, I'm going to talk Russian, or kind of Russian, I don't know, yeah, kind of Russian, okay? So, this is my attachment for the MP5, okay? I don't know what it is. I think it's a silencer. I really think it's a silencer, okay? Let me cut that off first, okay? This is my knife! My knife! My military knife that's not real. In case the knife you want to go that's it. And what? It's what? It's what? Oh, well, it's really good and rating. That's it, like a trio. Just throwing knife in a knife. Stab knife. Okay. Could you put it? That's right there. So now we've got the pistol and 1911 pistol. I forgot what it's called. It's a pistol. You can say, you can see, you can have it, you can see. Yeah, it's a noisy pistol. Like I say, this is the best one. This is my M1A1. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Very loud. Very loud. Okay, put that off the list. Not go on to the MP5 with a grip in the back and the silence. Well, I should be talking. Well, if you're gonna say silence, or you should stay in silence. There. You have to get battery going. And just got the sword in these two. I won't say this what you'll see because these don't make noise. And not really shoot northboards. So yeah, my MP5. Hold on, this is gonna take me a second. And there we go. Okay, now we're moving on to the sword. Nice pirate sword. But before I was able to pull it off. Okay, this is a nice sword. And yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. And it actually hurts more than a knife, the other one. And, well, if you can take a look at these two. Okay, it's me, Kevin, signing out.